In today's class, we are going to discuss about chemistry and food, agriculture, fertilizer, pesticides, fungicide, insecticides, food preservatives, antimicrobes, antioxidants, chemistry and medicine, chemistry and cosmetics. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this video session. Chemistry in everyday life. There is no aspect of our life that is not affected by development in chemistry. Chemistry plays a very vital role in our everyday life. Our daily need of food, clothes, shelter, potable water, medicine, etc. are connected with chemical compound and process and principle. Chemistry and food. For food, we have to depend on agriculture to a large extent, and chemistry helps us to produce more crop fertilizer. A definition for fertilizer: natural or artificial substance containing a chemical elements that improve the growth and productivity of plants. It will improve the growth and as well as the productivity of plants. Modern chemical fertilizer include one or more of the three elements most important in plant nutrition. First one is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the three elements are most important for the plant nutrition. Second important nutrients are sulfur, magnesium and as well as in calcium. So definition for the fertilizer is the natural or artificial substance containing chemical element that improves the growth and as well as in productivity of an plants. Pesticides. Any substance intended to prevent, destroy, or repel insects, rodents, nematodes, fungi, weeds, microorganisms, or any form of life declared to the pest. So, pesticide means insect or small animals that harm the crop and other plants we grow are called pest. Fungicide. Fungicide has been defined as a chemical substance which has the ability to prevent the damage caused by the fungi to growing crops and their products. Fungicide is nothing but a chemical substance which has the ability to prevent damage caused by fungi to growing crops and their products. Here are some examples for agriculture and chemistry: fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide, and fungicide. Fertilizer. What are the chemicals are used in fertilizer is sodium nitrate, calcium, ammonium nitrate, superphosphate, diammonium phosphate, sulfate, urea, etc. In pesticide, malathion, parathion, aldrin. Insecticide, DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. BHC, benzene hexachlorine, chloride, benzene hexachloride. Fungicide, products mixture, sulfur, lime sulfur. Food preservatives. Food preservative prevent food from getting spoiled for a long time. Example: sodium metabisulfite, benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate. Importance of food preservatives. Why we are using a food preservatives? It eliminates microbes, increasing shelf life of food, making a seasonal fruits available to them throughout the year, adding variety to the diet, saving time and energy, improving nutrition values of foods, controlling price. So these are the importance of food preservatives: elimination of microbes, increasing the shelf life of food, making a seasonal fruits available to them throughout the year, adding variety to the diet, saving time and energy, improving nutritional value of foods, controlling prices. Principles of food preservatives: prevention or delay of microbial decomposition, prevention or delay the self decomposition of the food, prevent the damage caused by insect, animals, and mechanical, etc. So, food preservatives prevent food from getting spoiled for a long time. Food processing. There is a great demand for ready to eat food today. To prepare such food, the material is made to go through a series of physical and as well as in chemical treatment, mixed with additives, finally packed. All these steps taken together make up for food processing. Flavoring agents, salt, sweetener, sugar or sugar substituents, citric acid, vinegar, and alcohol are common flavoring agent. Nowadays, the use of crude salt is avoided. The crude salt is obtained from seawater is defined by chemical process. A small amount of chemical sodium iodide is mixed to form iodized table salt, which prevents disease like gouty. Sodium iodide is mixed with to form iodized table salt, which prevents disease like gouty. Sugar is obtained from the sugarcane juice, which is clarified by a chemical method. Sugar substituents are artificial sweetener like saccharin, sucralose, or the synthetic chemicals. Sugar citric acid is obtained from lemon juice. Sugar citric acid is obtained from lemon juice and vinegar is acetic acid mixed with water. Sugar citric acid is obtained from lemon juice, vinegar, and this acetic acid is mixed with water. Preservatives. The following two classes of food preservatives are used. Antimicrobes. They check the growth of any microorganism. Microbes are also called germs. Example, bacteria and fungi in the food. Some common examples are sodium benzoate for jams, pickles, sauce, and fizzy drinks. Sulfites and sulfur dioxide for fruits, sodium sorbate for cheese, and sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate for meat. Antioxidant. They check the oxidation of the food, that is, the reaction of the food with oxygen. Antioxidant. They check the reaction of food with oxygen, which is present in air. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, sodium ascorbate, and common antioxidant, generally used to preserve cheese. Ascorbic acid, ascorbate are using as a common antioxidant to preserve cheese. Air is removed from packed or replaced by nitrogen. Nitrogen is an inactive gas. Oxygen is an active gas. Nitrogen is an inactive gas. It does not react on food. Have you ever wondered why packets containing dry eatable like potato chips are swollen? Because they are filled with a large amount of nitrogen gas. The extra gas also act as a cushion, preventing breakage. So, why we are using a nitrogen in the packed material means it acting as an inactive gas does not act on the food. It acting as an inactive gas and does not react with food. Some common type of medicine: antipyretic, analgesic, antimalarial, antiallergic, antibiotic. Antipyretic, analgesic, antimalarial, antiallergic, antibiotic. Uses antipyretic, it is uses for using for bringing down the fever, it will bring down the temperature. Analgesic, relieving the pain, or using as in painkiller. Aspirin and paracetamol are the example for this type. Anti-malarial, curing the malaria. Quinine and a related compound. Quinine and other related compound. Anti-allergic, preventing reaction to the cold and also to dust, smoke, etc. Example, cetirizine. Anti-allergic, preventing reaction to the cold and also to the dust, smoke, etc. Example, cetirizine. Antibiotic, destroying microorganism causing disease like dysentery, typhoid, etc. And curing infection. Antibiotic, it is helps to cure the infection also. Example, penicillin. Chemistry and cosmetics. Cosmetics help a person look good. Long ago, they were derived from natural source. However, chemicals are generally used to prepare them these days. Cosmetics are different types: creams, powders, and solution. Cream keeps the skin soft and moistened. For its cosmetic use, it is generally mixed with following substance. Some cosmetics and chemical present in them. Nail polish removers, acetone butyl acetate, perfume and deodorant, formaldehyde or formalin, benz, benzaldehyde, benzyl acetate, cream based cosmetics, lotion, bath products such as shampoos and conditioners, parabens, methyl chloride, methyl chlorides, nail paints, phthalates, ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, toluene, xylene, and formaldehyde or formalin. Toothpaste, sodium fluoride, triclosan, hydrated silica, sodium hydroxide, etc. Talcum powder, silicon dioxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, iron oxide, aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, calcium carbonate. Thank you.